so I can share with you the last portion of the workshop. So now that we've done the drawing, we have released and we've replaced what we want to release with all that loving goodness. Another technique that we can utilize to help release emotions that have pent up, whether they be anxiety, fear, worry, stress, those emotions that really weigh heavy on us. It's a technique that's called EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique. And what it is it's a combination of Eastern techniques and Western science that have come together to create balance, and it balances our energy, but it also helps to balance our brain and our physical body. So it's a technique that requires tapping on certain pressure points in our body. And as we tap on these pressure points, we release those negative thoughts. So the same thoughts that you released in your steam, you would repeat those, and then you replace them with what you filled your cup with. So you're actively tapping on your body while you were speaking, releasing out, and then affirming positive thoughts in yourself. So what that looks like is the pressure points are at the top of your head,
Okay.
the sides of your eyes, your inner eyebrows, right below your nose, your chin, your collarbone, underneath each armpit,
Okay.
and then the karate chop is the edge of your hand, the pinky edge side of your hand.
Okay.
So what that looks like in practice is I would go through the words that I wrote in my cup and in my steam, and I would tap along my body as I'm saying these words and write it out in full sentences. So what that sounds like for me is that even though I struggle with feelings of overwhelm, I still choose to love and accept myself. Even though I sometimes suppress my feelings and emotions, I keep working towards expressing myself and accepting my full range of emotions. Even though I speak harshly and criticize myself, I am actively working towards talking tenderly and lovingly to myself. I am releasing judgment and pouring in love. I am releasing the thought that my value is in the things that I do. I'm replacing that thought with the knowing that my value is in my existence and my beingness. I don't have to do anything to be worthy. I just am. Even though the adults in my life did not protect me as a child, I can honor and protect my inner child by setting healthy boundaries that prioritize my well-being. I'm releasing self-harming thoughts. I am replacing with care and compassion. I am grateful. I am loving myself, and I am putting myself first. So that's how it would look like with tapping and utilizing those same words. So you can take the next few moments to write out sentences with the things that you are releasing. So it might start like, even though I've thought this way about myself, I'm actively releasing that and replacing with this thought. So take the next couple minutes to write out a sentence or two. And then if you'd like, as you say those sentences, practice tapping on those points. And then, yeah, you would just practice that sentence as you tap along your body. And the science behind it is that the tapping helps to move that stored up energy in our body. It also helps to stimulate our brain, especially when we're tapping on both sides of our face at the same time. So left and right side helps to stimulate both sides of the brain. And then so that helps to like break up that old thought pattern. And then as you positively affirm yourself and pour into yourself, that helps to rewire the brain to think like, yeah, these thoughts don't serve me. Let me replace them with something that I know that feels better and more productive for me.